Many friends asked me how to make chicken tender and juicy. Today I will share with you a steamed chicken that is often made in Southeast Asia. The chicken made in this way has crispy skin and tender meat, which is very delicious. For this dish, we use the 3 yellow chickens from southern China. The hair, skin, and chicken feet of the 3 yellow chickens are all yellow, hence the name 3 yellow chickens. This kind of chicken is fresh and fragrant, especially suitable for steamed chicken. You can use any type of chicken in your local area instead. First, we have to clean the chicken, then put the chicken in a large bowl and sprinkle some edible salt on the chicken skin. The salt has a good granular feel, which can make it easier to clean the dirt in the chicken skin, and the salt has a good disinfecting effect. Add a large bowl of clean water to the scrubbed chicken. Clean the dirt on the surface of the chicken skin and the salt, and then drain the clean chicken from the large bowl. Prepare a pot of boiling water, put the chicken skin side down into the boiling water, and scald it. The scalding time does not need to be too long. About 5 seconds will be enough. If the time is too long, the chicken skin will be boiled. Then put the chicken in cold water, rinse it with cold water, let the chicken skin cool completely, drain it, and put it back into the boiling water pot, and then use boiling water to scald the chicken skin. We repeat this operation 3 times. Through the principle of thermal expansion and contraction, the chicken skin will become very tight, and it will taste crisp and chewy. After processing the chicken like this 3 times, we drain the chicken from the large bowl and put it in another large bowl, then pour a small amount of cooking oil on the chicken skin and use a brush to evenly apply the cooking oil. Apply the cooking oil evenly on the chicken skin. The chicken skin made in this way is slightly yellow and shiny, which looks very good. Next, we prepare some ingredients. Prepare a piece of clean ginger and cut it into thick slices. Put the sliced ginger on a plate and set it aside. Prepare a handful of clean shallots and cut them into scallion segments. Put the scallion segments on a plate and set it aside. Then prepare a steamer. Spread the sliced ginger evenly on the bottom. Spread the scallion segments on top of the ginger, and then put the processed chicken on top of the scallion segments. Add a little more water to the steamer, put the steamer on the pot, and then cover it. We turn on the high heat and steam it for 20 minutes. Let's prepare a sauce. Prepare garlic and cut them into small pieces. Then prepare a piece of ginger and cut it into small pieces. Chop the chopped garlic and ginger into minced garlic and minced ginger. Then put the chopped ginger and minced garlic in a small bowl and set it aside. Prepare a few washed green onion leaves and cut them into chopped green onions. We also put the chopped green onions in a small bowl and set it aside. Prepare 2 red peppers and cut them into pepper rings. If you don't like peppers, you can leave them out. Then put the chopped pepper rings in a small bowl. If conditions permit, you can also put a spoonful of white sesame seeds. Then pour 2 spoons of hot oil in the bowl to bring out the aroma of these ingredients. Now we start seasoning. Put a spoonful of salt in the bowl, then add an appropriate amount of oyster sauce to enhance the flavor. Use a spoon to stir the sauce evenly. After stirring evenly, set it aside. After 20 minutes, our chicken is cooked. The skin of the steamed chicken is tight and slightly yellow, which looks very beautiful. Let the steamed chicken cool naturally, then cut it and put it on the plate. I share simple exotic dishes every day. If you like it, please subscribe and leave your country and city in the comment area. You will soon be able to have the special ingredients in the video without leaving home. Finally, evenly apply the prepared sauce on the chicken. In this way, our steamed chicken is ready. The steamed chicken made in this way has crispy skin and tender meat, and it is tender and juicy when you bite it. Now you can try it yourself.